guys, welcome to Sophia's World! Don't forget to like and subscribe to my new channel, Sophia's World! What's up guys, it's Sophia here. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, click that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, give me a huge thumbs up. So today guys, it's my sister's birthday!
Hi!
And we're gonna open these toys over here. So they come with different colors. So this is like pink, this is purple, this is
Hot pink.
hot pink, yeah. And I also have another special guest, my sister's friend Elise.
Hi!
So now we're gonna open it.
So what are we supposed to do with this?
So we open up the...
You gotta open
No,
the
not
plastic?
now.
Alright. Sorry. Sorry.
So this is supposed to be like...
What's inside?
Also, it comes with a lot of different stuff.
Let me see. What's that?
And this is the shoes. This is the skirt. This is the accessories. This is the glasses.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know
What is
this.
it called again?
Color reveal.
Color reveal.
6 surprises.
So what are you
Yeah.
supposed to do?
So when you get your doll, you take water, fill it up in here. I think there's like a line to show you when to stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Then you fill it up with water there. Then you put your doll inside the water. Then it will reveal what kind of doll you have. So
Wow.
over here, I can get these two. And Elise can get these two. And my sister can get these two. So now let's open it.
Okay.
Okay.
So there's like an opening over here. So let's open this like a zipper.
Whoa.
Perfect zip.
Can I see?
It's easier now. It's just like this only.
Wow, I don't think somebody's struggling.
I got
Now
it.
it's so easy. I can put it as a napkin.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's me open mine.
Yep.
Wow.
So you take turn in opening up.
Yep.
Like this, and I see the Barbie doll. This is the
Yeah.
Barbie doll head.
Yeah,
Wait,
maybe
can I
we'll
wear
take
it as
out
a cat?
and the instructions too. The instructions are
Yeah,
to
I
put
cannot see.
the little guy, the little doll, in a bag that says water.
This one?
Just leave it in there, yeah.
This one is
Put
water.
put it to the line with some hot water,
Hot water.
some warm water. Submerge the person, and it'll
person?
come
The
out. I don't
doll?
know what it's gonna be. Yeah, and then we get to decorate and stuff with all the
I
other things.
think I got
Because
this
we need
doll.
hot water?
I
Yeah,
think I
warm
got
water.
this doll.
Okay.
I think I got this doll, guys.
Which one? The one in the long hair.
The
That one?
black hair.
She tried to peek.
So Elise, what do you think you have?
I have no idea. I hope I have the one with the red hair because I used to have red
Wait, can I
hair.
see?
So
You excited?
This is
yeah, yours
mine.
are all the same color.
Yours are all the same colors.
Ooh, so at least
Right.
it's something fancy.
Yeah, so Elise have green in there. See?
I'm curious.
Yeah,
I have
you have
I have
hot
3 different colors.
Yeah, you've
Yeah.
got all of our colors and green. But yeah, while we wait, we can look at the accessories and stuff.
Should we open them now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So, do you want the smallest to the biggest or biggest to the smallest?
That's up to you, babe.
I have 3 of the
I
same
think
size.
this is the shoes. I think the shoes.
Mine is different.
Yours is different.
This is shoes. This is shoes.
Okay.
Yeah, this is shoes. You have two though. Wait,
I have 3 small ones.
I have one.
Yeah, you have all the same sizes too.
I can.
Oh, mine's a little green guy. Am I not supposed to know?
Oh yeah, I think I got the black hair and black shoes.
To change the doll's hair color, we have to make it cold water. But anytime you want to take away the hair color, you just have to put hot water back in it.
So,
Wow.
so guys, this is so cute. It can even fit my nose.
Don't put it up there.
Wow! It's the skirt! It's so pretty! Look at it!
That's a very pretty skirt.
Which one do you think I have now?
I don't know. I have a pink skirt.
Wow. You already opened? Did you even open any?
No, I haven't opened any.
Look at my stuff. Cute. I'm gonna open this one. What's this? I think this is the accessory. Or the glasses.
I think mine are the glasses.
Oh, I got shoes.
I think my one is the accessory.
Mine seems to be very pink.
I got some white
What's
shoes.
this? The pouch! Like me, I always have
Oh,
a
like a
pouch.
fanny pack.
Yeah, I always
Yeah.
have a fanny pack. You can put it like around your waist like this. Or you can put it on your belly.
I have a lot of pink. I've got the pink shoes too now.
I like the glasses.
Yeah, me too.
Let me see the hair color now.
Oh,
I told you!
You're right.
I was right!
So what we have? We have the pink hair. Let me see. We have the pink hair, pink
Pink everything.
Yeah.
Pink
Did you-
everything.
Pink glasses.
Did you got the one you
Glasses.
wanted?
shoes.
Shoes.
Sophia, what yours?
I wanted the
Sophia's
red
is
one,
like
but
a
the
bit of
pink
a
one's
matte
pretty
pink.
too.
Blue and purple.
Purple. And yours are like
And black and black.
Mine's a flamingo,
flamingo.
matte, some shoes,
I
got
wish I
pink.
a
had
little
that.
cup. Yeah, seems like it.
I wish I had this. Kids, don't do hot water alone. Ask adult permission. Oh my, look at the steam. Oh my god, spilling! Okay, can I put my doll
Now
inside?
you can put the
I
one
think
with
we
the plastic
gotta
in.
top up a lot
Yeah.
more water because it's gotta be all the way up to the line.
Do you think they look the same in the inside?
I think so.
I
I don't know actually.
don't think so.
Maybe not because these faces are different as well. I guess we'll have to see.
Let's try
Three.
one.
Put it in with the bag?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, let's see what happens.
Oh, I feel like it's too
Something
much.
Yeah, there's too much.
Ah.
Does it dissolve?
I don't actually know. Did we mess this up?
No, it should be. It should like.
Am I supposed to take him out? I'm supposed to take him out.
I think so too.
I thought they had some like cool like dissolving plastic. This is dumb. No. Oh dang, mine's already like wet.
I was already wet.
Okay.
Whoa.
Yeah. This is what it looks like. My fingers are
You have it
covered
all
in
over
paint.
yourself.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna dunk mine in, alright? Oof.
Whoa! Oh, so that it's like a.
Paint.
And then it'll dissolve.
Yours matches your
Ooh,
skirt.
Yeah, yours is
Wow.
cool.
Yeah.
Yours is like special.
Yeah, mine is
Wow.
double colored.
And my one is all blue, but I think there's a little bit of purple there. But I like all this navy stuff.
You wanna
You're
dunk
gonna-
it
Should we
in?
put it in?
3, wait guys, look at me. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Hey, there's nothing happening to my dog.
So it dissolves.
Yeah, it is. You have to.
Ooh,
Dissolves.
Careful, it's hot water inside.
that's paint.
Yeah, it's just.
So it's kind of a like clear paint, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I can see the head.
Ooh, the color of
Your
your
water
water.
is very pretty.
Look, it's like glitter water. Can you see it?
Oh yeah. Ew.
That one.
Guys,
Like
I can
strawberry
see the-
milkshake.
Yeah.
Guys, I think I can see the body. Look. It's over here. I can see it.
Should I turn him around?
Yeah.
Put his head. Okay.
Ooh.
Oh, he still has some
Let me see.
on him.
Ah.
But you have like a cool purple and blue look going.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at yours. Nice.
Wait, can I see it?
You got a
Look, wait, look at me. Oh my god, I think my one's finished. My one's finished.
And this one is a balloon.
Look, my one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we all have 3 different
Wait,
colored
can I
hair.
put
Three
on
different
something?
ones.
Can I
Yeah.
put something
Yeah,
on?
put it on top. Just put it on top.
Wait, can change your night?
Of course.
Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake. Oh, it's warm inside the towel. I wish I was the doll. Okay, I'm gonna put the hair now. Look, guys, I'm gonna paste it on.
Oh, so just like
Yeah.
put it
Oh,
in,
that's
like
cool.
tape it.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the wrap.
Yeah, very nice.
Now I'm gonna put your skirt on. You're naked. Oh, it stretches my stretch. Stretch it.
How about I open it a little bit
This one's just gonna
and
stay.
you go through the legs. Alright? Okay. Go through. And there you go. Now you can fit the rest in.
Here.
Perfect.
Cute on you.
You really gotta like
Yours is. Yeah.
Oh, look at. Ah,
I think I'm gonna put this.
pretty. Nice.
Has some more pink accessories.
I don't think the skirt matches my person.
Why you can see through?
I
It's
don't
not a skirt.
understand.
No, it's not a skirt. It's like a sarong.
So
You know, like where they put like he's wearing a swimming costume and then
yeah, but it
just
still
put like
doesn't
a.
match her. Like, why did she choose this outfit?
Wow! Look,
I don't have any
so
glasses.
pretty.
Me neither.
So chic. Yes. So your doll is like sunbathing.
On a
Your
beach
doll
somewhere.
is going for a party.
She has no shoes
Right?
on.
No, no, no.
He's going
no,
for a
no, no,
party.
no, no, no. This is not going for a party.
Then
This this doll is going to sing something
why don't you use like a fanny pack like on the waist?
and put it like this.
That's how they wear it.
Alright. And yours is going like for a.
I think mine is going to get ice cream.
Walk on the
Yeah, I
beach.
think yours is gonna get ice cream.
Walk
Yeah.
on the
Really
beach and
nice
get
ice cream.
cream.
A pink ice cream for
Yeah.
sure.
Walk on the beach and get ice cream.
Yeah.
I think she's just gonna go take a little nap.
Mine was finished.
Nobody drink lying down.
She can't grab her cup. So my doll, my my doll's a little lifeguard flamingo on the beach.
Yep. Look at the mat. It fits to
That's
the dress.
right.
Let's see what Sophia's doll. In like the fanny pack.
So what does she do?
She
Where's she going?
sings.
She sings.
She's a pop star.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's her name?
Rockstar.
Rockstar.
Roxy.
Roxy.
Rockstar.
Oh, the rockstar's name is Rockstar. It's very
What's your name of the doll?
Flamingo.
I don't know.
What would you call your doll?
I don't know.
Yours has to be like Mrs. Pink or something like
Miss Pink.
Or Mrs. Zebra.
Yeah.
Miss Zebra.
Miss Pink Zebra.
This is my end of my video. I hope you like it. Give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Sophia, so which doll do you like the best? Comment down below.